Happy morning, children. A warm welcome from Sheba School online class. Hope that you are all fit and fine. Students, today our subject is English and the lesson name is The Proud Dragonfly. The Proud Dragonfly. Proud Dragonfly na Garvamana Dragonfly. Okay, ma? See the picture, ma. Can you all see this? Yes, this is a insect. This is a insect and the insect name is dragonfly. Can you all see the picture, students? See how the wings are. Okay, dear students, as I already told you, the lesson name is The Proud Dragonfly. The Proud Dragonfly. Proud means what, ma? Garvama irukadhu. Proud means garvama irukadhu. In this lesson, the dragonfly is very proud. The dragonfly is very proud. Can you all see the children? See the dragonfly. This is the dragonfly. In this story, the dragonfly feels very proud of himself. He thinks that he is the most beautiful insect of all the insects. Okay, children. Now, let us move on to the story. Are you ready for the story, children? Yes. See, let us see the characters in the story. Who are the characters? Dragonfly, butterfly, ant, ladybug, bumblebee, beetle and chameleon. Dragonfly, butterfly, bumblebee, ladybug, ant, beetle and chameleon. Okay, children. How many characters are there? There are 7 characters in the story. There are 7 characters in the story. The dragonfly lives near the pond. The blue dragonfly lives near the pond. Lives near the pond. This is the pond. Pond means kolam. In the pond there were many lotus. There were many lotus. Can you all see, children? This is lotus, tamarapu. The dragonfly was living with his friends. Who are dragonfly's friends? Butterfly, bumblebee, ladybug and beetle. Okay, children. Now, let us move on to the story. One day, the dragonfly was flying near the pond. As he was flying near the pond, he saw the butterfly. He saw the butterfly. And the dragonfly started to speak to the butterfly. Hello, butterfly. How are you? The dragonfly asked. The butterfly said, oh, I am fine. But for that, the dragonfly said, but I think that you are looking very sad. The butterfly said, why am I looking sad? I am not looking sad. But the dragonfly said, no, you are looking sad because you don't have wings like me, it said. The butterfly said, no, I am not sad. I know that I am a beautiful and colorful insect. As it said like this, the butterfly flies away from that place. Then the dragonfly started to go to another place. As he was going to another place, he saw his friend ant. The ant was carrying food. The ant usually stores the food for the winter. As he was carrying the food, the dragonfly said, you are very helpless and you are doing all the work with your thin legs, it said. The ant said, no, I am very happy with my work. You only sit always here and feeling proud of yourself. Better you find a work to do, dragonfly, it said. And it continued its work. After seeing the ant, the dragonfly started to fly near the pond. As he was flying, he saw the ladybug. He saw the ladybug. It started to talk to the ladybug. Hi, ladybug. Ladybug, don't you wish you were as slim as me? It asked the ladybug. The ladybug said, no, I am happy as I am. It laughed and said, no, I am happy as I am, it said. As he said, the dragonfly was little sad and it started to fly away from there. It started to fly away from there. As he was flying, he saw a bumblebee. He saw a bumblebee. The bumblebee was buzzing by happily. The sound of the bumblebee is buzz. The bumblebee was buzzing happily. The dragonfly saw the bumblebee happily buzzing and it started to talk to the bumblebee. Bumblebee, bumblebee, are you not bored of your yellow and black color stripes? It asked. The bumblebee said, no, I am not bored, said the bumblebee. Better you stop boasting about yourself. I have good wings better than you, it said. The dragonfly was again little sad and it started to fly away from there. It started to fly away from there. As he was flying, he saw a beetle. He saw a beetle. It started to talk to the beetle. Beetle, why I am scared seeing you. Please don't come near me like that again, it said. The beetle said, why are you scared? Asked the dragonfly. I am also as wonderful as I am in my own way. It's the beetle said to the dragonfly. After speaking to the beetle, the dragonfly, the proud dragonfly, sat on the rock. The chameleon was sitting nearby the rock. A chameleon was sitting nearby the rock. Can you see the chameleon, children? Yes, this is a chameleon. Chameleon means pachondi. Chameleon changes its color according to its surrounding. A chameleon changes its color according to its surrounding where it lives. The chameleon saw the dragonfly sitting on the rock. The chameleon was very hungry. It saw the dragonfly and thought to himself, what a foolish dragonfly. Today my lunch is this dragonfly. And it went near the dragonfly and licked its tongue. Can you all see the tongue, children? It licked the sticky tongue, catches the dragonfly and it eats the dragonfly. என்ன பண்ணுச்சு செமிலியான்? டிராகன்ஃப்ளை இங்கே உட்கார்ந்த உடனே இன்றைக்கி நம்ம ரொம்ப பசியாக இருக்கும், நம்ம டிராகன்ஃப்ளை தான் இன்றைக்கி நமக்கு லஞ்சுன்னு நினச்சிக்கிட்டு பக்கத்தில் வந்து அதோட ஸ்டிக்கி டங்கால் டிராகன்ஃப்ளையை பிடிச்சி முழுங்கிடுச்சு. Now the dragonfly is no more. The proud dragonfly is no more. When the chameleon ate the dragonfly, all his friends were shocked. And they were helpless. They can't do anything to the dragonfly. Who are the dragonfly's friends? The ladybug, the bumblebee, the butterfly, ants and beetle were standing there shocked. Clear, children? Have you all understood the story, children? From this story, what have you learnt? Yes, from this story you have learned that you should not be proud. All the creatures are beautiful in their own way. Okay, children? Dear students, hope that you have enjoyed the story, and let us now move on to the book exercise. Book exercise, take page number 94 in your English term book. Okay, children, let us see the first Roman letter. Tick the correct picture. Tick the correct picture. There are two pictures. Can you see, children? This one is a pond and this one is a river. This one is a pond and this one is a river. Let us see the question. All the insects in the story lived near what, ma? Yes, it lived near a pond. P-O-N-D, pond. Next one. See the picture, ma. What is this picture? And what is this picture, ma? Yes, this is a picture of dragonfly, and this is a ladybug. Let us read the question. Dash is too proud of itself. Who was too proud of itself in the lesson, ma? Yes, the dragonfly was too proud of itself. So the correct answer is dragonfly. Moving on to the second Roman letter, match the words to the pictures. Match the words to the pictures. These are the words. You are going to match these words with the picture. See the picture. What is this? This is a beetle. This is a butterfly, dragonfly, and a humblebee. Okay, children. The words are buses, squeaks, colorful, shiny. Buses, squeaks, colorful, shiny. Let us match the first picture. A beetle. A beetle squeaks. A beetle squeaks. Match beetle with squeaks. Next one is butterfly. Butterfly is a colorful insect. So match butterfly with colorful. Next, dragonfly. Dragonfly has shiny wings. So match dragonfly with shiny. The last one is a bumblebee. Match bumblebee with its sound buzzes. Okay, children. The third Roman letter is listen, think and write. Listen, think and write. The options are foot, blue, black, yellow, hungry. Okay, children. The first one. What color is the dragonfly? What is the color of the dragonfly, ma? Yes, the dragonfly is blue. The dragonfly is blue. Second one. What is the ant carrying? What is the ant carrying, ma? Yes, the ant was carrying food. So the correct answer is the ant is carrying food. The third one. What color is the bumblebee? What color, ma? You have seen in the picture, no? Yes, the bumblebee has stripes of black and yellow. Black and yellow. The last one. Why did the chameleon eat the dragonfly? The chameleon eats the dragonfly as it was hungry. As it was hungry. Okay, children. Students, in this lesson, you have learnt about many insects and you have learned the names of many insects. Isn't it, children? What are the names of the insects you have learnt in this lesson? Let us see. Dragonfly, butterfly, ant, ladybug, bumblebee, beetle and chameleon. Hope you enjoyed the story and you have learned the names of many insects in the story. Have you all understood the book exercise, children? Do the book exercise. Do your homework regularly with neat handwriting. Meet you all in the next class. Thank you, children. Have a wonderful day.